How to fix iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Now swipe down from the right side of your screen and disable Bluetooth mode and enable airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before disabling airplane mode again. In Settings, scroll down and firstly tap on Messages and toggle off the button for iMessage. Go back and now tap on FaceTime and toggle off the button for FaceTime. Tap on General now and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Shutdown option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. Go to Settings again after restarting your device. Tap on Messages and enable iMessage. Go back and tap on FaceTime and toggle on the button for FaceTime. Your problem should have been fixed by now. Thank you for staying with us until the end.